To send push notifications, you navigate to the sales channels and select the mobile app under the sales channel section. You select the mobile apps menu. So in the mobile app manager page, so this page is only available if you have purchased the mobile app module for your online store. So this page is only active if you have Android and iOS mobile apps for your store. So to send the push notification, in the push notification history page, we click on the send notification button. This will open the send notification window. So here we add a title. We say Happy New Month. So we add so here we enter the push notification message. We say, hi, wishing you a happy new month. So we add an image. So here we can select to send the push notification to Android. That can choose the platform. Either we send it to Android devices, iOS, or we send it to both the Android and iOS devices. So let's select this option. So here we can choose the redirect activity. So this is the page that the customer will be able to view in the mobile app if the customer taps the push notification message. So we can choose the home page. We can choose to open this message. We can choose to link this message to a category. We can choose to link it to a specific product. So, but let's choose to link it to the home page. So once we have set up, we click the submit button. So now the push notification has been sent. So you can see in the push notification history, you can see it has been sent. So clicking here will enable us to view the message. So here is the push notification that was sent earlier. So this is an example on how to send push notification message to your mobile apps users. Thank you for watching.